Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special 13.3-inch OLED touchscreen special phone GMC serial Chevy Silverado 2014 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox review. It's an OLED screen, high resolution. 13.3, very big shipping box, and okay, you can check this screw height unit, and let me show how many set first. This is special cable. Okay. You can check this special harness. Come with head unit. This original USB, OEM USB, and this AUX video input. And this connect our back of head unit. Connect back our head unit, and this for factory plug. And you can check those connector. This one and this one connect canvas box. Okay. And this canvas decoder box, GMC canvas decoder box, and the one GMC, and these two canvas box to connect this connection. Okay, connected, and connect this one. Okay, connected as well. And this GPS antenna. GPS. And this 4G Wi-Fi antenna. And this AUX cable. AUX cable. AUX input left and right. Okay. And this LVDS cable. This cable connects with original car and our head unit for transfer original data. It supports original factory screen. It's microphone, external microphone. And there are two USB. And this audio and this SIM card slot, and this audio cable. You can check this subwoofer and external microphone. This amplifier, 12 voltage, and video out. This is video out and video input. This is video input too, and video out, left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show you the units. Okay, you can check the back of the unit. This connector, power fuse, this connection, and this GPS, this radio antenna, and this Wi-Fi 4G. You can check very big screen, and let me try connect the power. Connect the power and back. Okay, the system will start. It's very big screen. 360 view, around the view, and for reserve camera. Okay. We have black and silver color. Okay, you can check this front UI. Okay, and very big screen. This 13.3 and high resolution OLED screen. It resolution. Let me check the settings. This OX here, you can check very fast response, and let me check the settings. It's built in the Google Maps and Play Store. This original car phone transfers the original data. When you connect cable, transfer original system. It's built in the Play Store, and let me check the radio. This radio back, and you can control the steering wheel controls. It supports the steering wheel controls. Z-Link 5 for the Apple CarPlay. This is wireless Apple CarPlay, and support wireless Android Auto. Okay. And this air condition. This air condition, you can adjust the AC auto. You can when you connect car. This DSP amplifier. is heavy metal and surround sound. Okay. Let me show the settings. This network already built in the Wi-Fi and supports the 4G. You can support the SIM card. Okay, it's show connecting the Wi-Fi and you can test the Wi-Fi. You can visit our website. Like the computer, it's very big screen. You can visit our website and let me check the settings. This display settings, this wallpaper, you can check the wallpaper and choose the theme or set the picture sound. We support parking system. Voice system and this Android system setting. You can check the Bluetooth and CPU and storage memory. Total RAM 6 GB and 128 GB. This has a screen resolution you can check. The Android can be updated. The Android 12. Android 12 can be updated. These apps and you also can change the language in here. It just let add the language. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Click this. This is Bluetooth. I don't know what music and the radio navy settings video. These settings. Okay, that's all. Thank you.